Okay, so our next standard is going to be solving quadratic equations by factoring. And I'm going to factor an equation that's going to need the slide, divide, bottoms up method. And hopefully that will cover everything. In class, I told you to write down in the factoring trinomials part, 5x squared minus 9x minus 18. So this is how it would look if I was just asking you to factor it. But I'm asking you right now, in this case, to solve. So it would be equal to 0 if I'm asking you to solve, but that does not change anything we're going to do to factor this. So, because there is a 5 out in front, I am going to slide it to the 18, to the negative 18, which will give me minus 100 minus 90, maybe? Let me use my calculator. 5 times 18. Who else, right? Okay, so now I have my A term as 1. Hopefully I can easily factor this. Remember, when I say factor, I just want two terms that would multiply together will get me back to my original quadratic. I know my first terms are going to be x and x for now. And then I have to see what I can multiply to get negative 90, but add together to get negative 9. So, if I do not know what the factors of negative 90 are, I can go to my calculator. I can go to my y equals. Sorry. Okay. Go to my y equals. Put 90 divided by x into my y equals, and then go to my table. This will give me all the factors of 90. So what ones can I combine to get 9? 1 and 90 are too far away. 3 and 30 too far. Not even numbers, so I can't use those. Okay, so it's 13. I'm getting closer. Okay, there it is. 15 times 6 will give me 90. So then 15 times 6 at the moment does not matter where they go. And then to get negative 9, the bigger number must be negative. Okay, so first step was to slide. Then I factored. Okay, now back to the same. Slide, divide. So what did I slide? I slid the 5, so now I'm going to divide by 5. Perfect. Now, if I could easily simplify, I'm going to do that. So, 15 divided by 5 is just 3. Okay, perfect. This here, I cannot simplify, so that's when it becomes bottoms up. This goes here. And that's how I would factor 5x squared minus 9x minus 18. So now, to finish it and actually solve for x, I would take each parentheses separate, set it equal to 0, solve for x. So x will equal 3 here. Take this one, do the same thing. Subtract 6. Divide by 5. X equals negative 6 over 5. And there are my two solutions. So again, factoring is just a step in the process of solving. You could just factor and not have to solve, but if you do have to solve, you can sometimes use factoring to help you do that. All right, that one's down. On to the next one.